puedo. Yeah, that's. I mean, it's amazing. If anyone would have asked me how much I would bet on this, I wouldn't have even bet a penny on it, because after qualifying, we were nowhere in comparison to Williams, and even in the rain after Brazil, Monaco, the car didn't feel good, so I wasn't expecting anything good from this weather condition. But when I went out in warm-up, the car was handling well, and I was very surprised about that. And in the race, I think we have not got a present from anyone. I just pushed it to the victory, and the car has been superb, especially at the beginning, and I was able to do the job.
And now, Jean-Todt offering the trophy to Michael Schumacher, and now Mr. Juan Antonio Samaranch, the president of the International Olympic Committee, will present the trophy to the second place driver, Jean Alesi, and also present the trophy to the third place driver, Jacques Villeneuve.
Yeah, honestly, I was on a limit because maybe my car was a little bit too low and I was doing aquaplaning everywhere. But I had no opportunity to follow him. He was really much quicker today. To finish second, I'm very happy because 4 or 5 times on the straight I missed the car, and I was very scared to finish in a wall.
Getting a huge bar from Michael Schumacher. Jean Alesi joining in too.
This morning we did the first segment of the warm-up with our dry setup, and it wasn't good at all. And then we put the soft setup, and the warm-up was cancelled. So we didn't get much running with the car feeling well. And on the first set of tires, the tires got bad after 10 laps. Although on the second set of tires, the car was very good, and I could catch up on Jean a little bit, but not enough to fight with him.